G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal mixed fields from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, it's been wetted. Some of this material's come off wall tiles, this sort of piece. It's got glue on the back still, but the glue comes off reasonably easy if you want to grind it off. Anyway, we'll zoom in and get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. A piece like that's only just got a little bit of opal on it, I think. Other pieces, this has got like white potch on it. Some of the other pieces. Just to give you an idea of what's in the deal. Here's that big white piece, it's just basically potch. It's a nicer piece. Piece like that, there is a seam, there is a seam there which if you wanted to cut it off you might get a stone out of it. It's a piece with the glue on the back. Basically a bit of potch in the resting pattern. It's got a seam going through here. Might be worthwhile having a look at that. This is showing nice, this is showing nice opal here, and it looks like it dips down underneath there, so it looks like nothing, but you might end up with a stone. There's no guarantees with any of that, of course. Comments. I can't see inside the rock. With all these other smaller pieces, you might find something on them. Basically, they're just thrown in. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.